Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your job?
I am a housemaid, 3 years and a half experience, and I know how to cook. I know how to make iron, cleaning, and take care of baby.
Mhm. Okay, so by the way, what is the nationality of your employer now?
Greek national.
How many members in the family that you're taking good care of?
Only one sponsor only. Bachelor, he is general manager of their hotel.
And why you decided not to continue to work with him?
Just because the some work for his sister. I'm starting working there 9 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the evening.
Or is he going to release you?
Cancellation. Yeah, yeah, like that. Release and
Re-
transferable. I think that is
Since you're looking for a new employer because of that reason, how much would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
1,800.
So, what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting? What you like to do most?
Wow. I like it very much cooking and cleaning. Also, if I take care of baby, I love too much baby. Yeah. It's not boring if I have baby inside the house.
And by the way, what type of food can you cook?
Now I know how to cook Greek food. I know how to make salad. Sometimes Italian salad, Italian pasta, and also Arabic food. Yeah. Sandwich. Yeah, I know.
Hmm.
I know how to make sandwich.
Okay, and how do you know if the baby is sick?
Of course, I feel it's hot, and every time she is happy like that. And then if she change or he or she change the feel every day, like
Hmm.
yeah, they're feeling. So she have sick.
And how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
Playing with him or with her to finish the food. Just like I'm eating, but I don't eat, and then I give her like that.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, what is your hobby?
make cooking
So, how long do you want to work here in UAE?
until my all my babies finish the school. Until now, I not go home in the Philippines 4 years.
Do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
I think so. Their children, I will treat as my daughter or son, like that. Yeah.
Okay, very well said. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.